In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Affirm app not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and close the app, completely reopen it. On iPhone, just swipe up and close the app from the app switcher. If you have any updates available, make sure that your application is up to date. Otherwise, you are going to be facing some problems. If you're on Android device, you can simply go ahead and clear cache. Also, you can try checking affirm.com or status.affirm.com to see if these systems are operational or not. Try logging out and logging back in. Check your device's date and time settings and make sure that it is on set automatically. If that is also not working, try restarting your device, reinstalling the app, or just contact support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.